Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So today we are going to learn about types of sets. So do you know that there are more than 6 or 7 types of sets? So today we will learn about finite set, infinite set, singleton set, null set, equal sets, equivalent sets, and rest of the other sets we will learn in another part 2 of types of set. This is the part 1 of types of sets. So please make sure to watch the whole video to understand and build up your concepts. The first set we are having is finite set. So a set that contains a countable number of elements. So in a set where you can count the number of elements, you can call it a finite set. For example, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is a finite set because you can count the elements and there are 5 elements. Next is the infinite set, a set that has countless many elements. Basically, it never ends. It means that those elements which you cannot count and they are in continuity, like the set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers are many. There are many natural numbers. So from 1 it starts and goes 2000, 2000, 3000, 4000. It continues till infinity. Infinite because it goes on forever. It does not stop. Next is the empty null set. So this is the symbol of empty set, a set that has no elements. Empty set is a set which has no elements. For example, x is a number greater than 5 and less than 5. So there is no number which is greater than 5 and it is also less than 5. There is no number in between. Next is the singleton set, a set that contains only one element. Singleton set is a set that contains only one element. You can see one element in a set and you will call it a singleton set. For example, A is equals to 3. So there is only one element. Next we are having is equal sets. So you can take two sets which are equal if they have exactly same elements regardless of order. Like I have written A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 2, 3, 1. So in the A set we are also having 2 and in the B set we are also having 2. A set we are having 1 and B set we are also having 1. So 3 is also the same in both the sets. So A is equals to B. Next is the equivalent sets. So equivalent sets are two sets having same number of elements, even if their elements are different. If we count the elements and the number of elements are the same, so it means that those are the equivalent set. Means that A set is having also 3 elements and B set is also having 3 elements.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.